Hi Capricorn, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be a reading from the 1st to the 15th of May. Um, we'll be looking at the current situation and also we'll be looking at the outcome. So, basis the current situation, we would understand, you would know if this reading is resonating with you. If the current situation resonates, then the next 15 days that we pick up will also resonate with you. All right, and then we'll end it with a couple of oracle cards from the universe as an advice for you. Okay, so without any delay, let's begin. Let's see what's going on with you, Capricorn. Okay, let's see if it comes back again, then it's ours. Capricorn. Okay, Knight of Wands, the World, the Star. Things are becoming better. You are heading towards a phase of healing. Ace of Pentacles, amazing energy. So at this point, I'm seeing that you are heading towards your bestest stability in life. Okay, at this point, because you're very charged up about a particular thing. Okay, with the World, the Star, and the Ace of Pentacles, I'm seeing that maybe you were not very active about something and now you are actively participating for your own self, for your own alignment, and that is very important. Okay, you're being able to see beyond certain things, like maybe your vision is becoming clearer in life about what you want to see and how things will be for you. You're becoming aware about yourself. Okay, the Knight of Wands, the World, the Star, and the Ace of Pentacles. So as and when you keep moving with this attitude, things are going to keep becoming better for you. Okay, that's the energy that I'm seeing you in. I don't see you negative at this point. Maybe you had a conversation with someone which has really motivated you, and that's a very good thing. So now you probably are giving up on lethargy or something like that. Some sleep is becoming, you're basically getting up from sleep is what I'm picking up for you, Capricorn. So let's see if this resonated for you, then probably the outcome will. So let's see what we can see for you from May 1st to the 15th. Ten of Swords, Six of Cups, Death, the Lovers. Wow, couple of major arcanas in your reading. Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so the next, May 1st to the 15th, I see you changing. Okay, I see you transforming and working towards what you are attached. I think you will embrace your inner self in this phase. You are getting clarity. You are also enjoying small things in life. Maybe your childhood sweetheart or somebody is going to meet you at this point, and this is going to lighten up your life. I am seeing that with the Death, the Lovers, it's like an awakening of deciding to choose yourself over everything else. Okay, which is a very good thing to do. You now know that nothing is more important than what you truly are. Let me see why Seven of Pentacles here. King of Swords, yeah. Ten of Pentacles. Could be that you are married to someone and that person would have not been treating you really well, and you are now breaking free from those shackles and trying to embrace life with your own zest, with your enthusiasm. Okay, and I don't see you stopping. This is like actually coming here for your highest good, for your well-being. Okay, and you are now knowing that just trying to stop it because of anything else is very stupid. Okay? So that energy of enlightenment is what I'm seeing in you in these 15 days. And I also see that you might meet someone or some person who's around you is encouraging you. Okay? Let's see what else. Emperor, Four of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Yeah, you're breaking free. You're cutting off anything or a person or someone or anything that was holding you too tightly. Okay, I'm also seeing that you have support. You have support, you have people who are going to take care of you. So you need not worry, and that's like an assurance from the universe to you that you shouldn't be worrying at this stage because there is no need to worry. Okay? There's no need to worry. You are heading in that direction, which is, I mean, this is about self-love. You're getting to the phase of knowing that if I resist, then I'm just depriving myself of love, which is not good. Okay? So now let's see what is the advice from the universe to you from the Animal Spirit Oracle cards. Lion Spirit, be generous of spirit. Snake Spirit, time to heal. Yeah. So maybe that whole idea of you thinking that no, I can't choose myself, I have so many restrictions, that has to go. You have to be generous with your own spirit. Okay? If you don't do that, if you don't love yourself, if you don't take care of yourself, then nothing will change in your life. Nothing is going to change. Self-love is, I mean, I know everyone talks about it, but you know, it's easier said than done. I don't know if you guys practice it. But the point is that if you don't make this decision of allowing yourself to receive the highest good, then how is it going to work out for you? Think about it. How is the universe supposed to bring in love to you or good to you when you yourself are dwelling in that energy that nothing good can happen to me? Right? So you should heal out of that, and I'm actually seeing you in that phase. So keep doing that. Okay, you're being forced to do that also, which is a very good thing. So keep doing that. Okay, so that's what I have for you, Capricorn. Let me know in the comments if this reading resonated with you. And yeah, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3 card readings over there, just in case if you want to know what's going on and stuff. Take care, and I shall see you soon again. Bye bye.